Have you ever wondered about the elves that toil away in Santa's workshop? What if there's more to their story than what the classic tales tell us? Let's take a journey into the enigmatic world of Santa's elves, where conventional wisdom clashes with the whispers of conspiracy. On the surface, the elves are the unsung heroes of Christmas, tirelessly crafting toys and spreading holiday cheer. They've been painted in our minds as harmless, jovial helpers, twinkling with laughter as they hammer, paint, and wrap in Santa's sprawling North Pole workshop. But what if there's more to it than that? What if the elves with their pointed ears and bright eyes are not just Santa's toy makers, but key players in a grander, more covert operation? Yes, you heard right. There's a growing body of theorists who believe that these seemingly innocent elves are part of a larger, darker reality. What if the stories we've been told, the images we've seen, are all part of a carefully crafted facade? A facade designed to hide the truth about what these elves truly are, and what they're actually doing. Could it be that the elves are not just making toys, but are using their skills for something far more complex and potentially sinister? Could they be involved in surveillance, advanced technology, or even interdimensional travel? As far-fetched as these ideas might sound, there are compelling arguments that suggest we might need to rethink our understanding of Santa's little helpers. So let's delve deeper, peel back the layers of tinsel and candy canes, and explore the theories that challenge our preconceptions. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about the world of Santa's elves. After all, truth can often be stranger than fiction, and in the case of these North Pole inhabitants, the truth might be hiding in plain sight, wrapped in a festive bow. What if Santa's elves aren't just making toys, but are part of a grander, more covert operation? Let's find out together as we step into the hidden world of Santa's elves. Could these elves be Santa's eyes and ears, keeping a watchful gaze over the world's children? Imagine, for a moment, the possibility of a global surveillance system, not run by governments or tech corporations, but by Santa's elves. Sounds outrageous, doesn't it? But bear with me. We've all heard of the elf-on-the-shelf tradition, a seemingly innocent holiday custom where a special scout elf is sent from the North Pole to help Santa manage his naughty and nice lists. Each night, the elf flies back to Santa and reports on the day's happenings. By morning, the elf returns to its family and perches in a new spot, waiting for someone to spot it. Now let's think about it. If these elves are indeed reporting back to Santa, isn't that just a fanciful way of saying they're conducting surveillance? And not just any surveillance, but a worldwide monitoring system that keeps tabs on every child. A system that operates under the guise of holiday cheer, yet might be the most extensive surveillance system ever imagined. We're not saying this is true, but it's a theory that raises some intriguing questions. How does Santa manage to keep track of so many children? How does he know who's been naughty or nice? Could these elves with their watchful eyes and nightly reports be playing a far more significant role than we've ever suspected? Perhaps it's all in good fun, a charming tradition designed to bring joy and a sense of magic to the holiday season. But on the other hand, could it also serve a dual purpose? Could these elves be more than just festive figurines? Could they in fact be integral components of a global elf surveillance system reporting back to Santa at the North Pole? Is it merely a fun holiday tradition, or could it be a cleverly disguised monitoring system? A question to ponder as we delve deeper into the hidden world of Santa's elves. Stay tuned. Ever wondered how Santa delivers all those gifts in just one night? Could the elves be in possession of advanced technology? Today we delve into the theory that Santa's elves might have harnessed technology far beyond our human comprehension. It's a well-known fact that Santa's workshop is responsible for a global gift distribution operation. This feat, if achieved by conventional means, would be impossible. So how do they do it? The answer may lie in the realm of advanced technology. Consider this. What if the elves have developed a kind of technology that we've only dreamed of in science fiction? We're talking about time manipulation here, folks. Imagine a device that could slow down time within the Santa's workshop, allowing the elves to work at a regular pace while the world outside moves at its normal speed. This would give them ample time to craft the millions of toys needed each year. And it's not just toy production where this technology could come in handy. How about Santa's delivery run? Even with the fastest conventional aircraft, it would take more than 100 years to visit every home in the world in a single night. But what if Santa's sleigh is equipped with a time dilation device? This could effectively slow down time around Santa, making a worldwide trip possible in just one night. But where could such technology come from? Some suggest that the elves discovered this technology centuries ago, hidden deep within the Arctic ice. Others propose that it was bestowed upon them by extraterrestrial beings. Some even speculate that the elves themselves are advanced beings from another time or dimension. The implications of such technology are staggering. If the elves possess the power to manipulate time, what else might they be capable of? Could they use their technology for purposes beyond Christmas cheer? And if so, what could that mean for the rest of us? As we ponder these questions, we're left wondering, then could these cheerful workers be masters of a technology far beyond our understanding? Whoa, what if Santa's elves aren't from our world at all, but visitors from another dimension? Picture this scenario for a moment. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But let's delve deeper into this fascinating theory. Imagine a universe where the laws of physics as we know them are slightly different. A universe where small, nimble beings with exceptional capabilities exist. These beings, our so-called elves, could be from this other dimension, visiting ours through a portal at the North Pole. Now let's consider some potential evidence. There are numerous accounts of people reporting strange, unexplainable phenomena around the North Pole. Mysterious lights, sudden changes in weather, and even time distortions. Could these be signs of an interdimensional portal? And if so, could it be the gateway for our holiday helpers? And what about the elves themselves? Their small stature and remarkable efficiency could be attributed to the different physical laws of their home dimension. Perhaps in their world, time runs differently, allowing them to accomplish seemingly impossible tasks in our world, like making millions of toys in a single night. This theory, if true, could have profound implications on our understanding of the universe. It would mean that there are dimensions beyond our own and that interdimensional travel is possible. It could revolutionize the fields of physics and cosmology, opening up entirely new avenues of study. But perhaps the most intriguing question is, why would these interdimensional beings choose to help Santa? Could it be that they're studying us, observing our holiday traditions as a form of cultural exchange? Or is there a deeper, yet unknown reason? As we ponder on these possibilities, we are left with more questions than answers. And maybe that's the point. After all, the universe is full of mysteries, and the elves of Santa Claus might just be one of them. Could the North Pole be a portal to another dimension, and the elves interdimensional travelers? As we unravel the secrets of Santa's elves, we continue to uncover the magic and mystery that surrounds this festive season. So, are Santa's elves just figments of our holiday imaginations, or could they be part of a grander conspiracy? We've taken you on a journey through the hidden world of Santa's elves, surfacing theories that may seem far-fetched, yet are curiously compelling. First, we delved into the elf surveillance theory, a notion that suggests these small, jolly creatures could be keeping tabs on us all year round. We examined the evidence, the omnipresent elf on the shelf, the whispers of elf sightings beyond the festive period. It's a theory that raises questions about privacy, about the role of these seemingly innocent figures. Next, we ventured into the realm of the advanced elf technology theory. How else could Santa know who's been naughty or nice, if not for some form of advanced technology? The elves, as Santa's right-hand helpers, could be the engineers behind such systems. The mystery of Santa's massive operation, the seamless delivery of gifts in one night, it all points to something more sophisticated. The third theory we explored was the Interdimensional Elf Theory. This hypothesis proposes that Santa's elves might not be confined to our physical realm. They could be crossing dimensions, explaining their ability to reach every child in the world in just one night. It's a fascinating concept, shrouded in enigma, that challenges our understanding of reality. As we recap these theories and the evidence supporting them, we are left with more questions than answers. What is the truth behind these festive figures? What are the elves really up to? Is there a potential truth hidden in the shadows of our holiday traditions? While the truth remains elusive, one thing is clear: there's more to Santa's elves than meets the eye. What do you believe? And more importantly, what are the elves really up to? We may not have all the answers, but we've certainly ignited a spark of curiosity. After all, in the world of conspiracy theories, sometimes the questions are more important than the answers.